Welcome to codePannu. Let us see about logical operators. But first, in Python, with conditional operators, we can check for a condition. We can check if an age is greater than a value which we gave or less than a value. We can also check if a hobby is equal to a string like playing chess or playing with Legos. For each condition, we write a print statement and a boolean value which is either true or false will be printed as output. So if we have four conditions, we write four print statements and we get four outputs. But there is a way to write all the four conditions in one statement and get one output. That is by using logical operators. Logical operators is used to combine many conditions into one statement and we can get one output for it. Yes, to know more about logical operators, follow or subscribe codePannu. And for now, bye.